So here I got my new setup, got my new rubber mat so I don't make a mess. Got the 3D printer going there, Resin Elegoo Mars 3. As you can see, I'm printing a Baraka model I downloaded from Etsy, 27% at the moment. And this is the wash and cure station where I wash off the excess resin, and then you change the settings for UV light to cure the resin, making it nice and solid. So this is my new setup. I haven't been able to do this for around about 8 months now because of unforeseen circumstances, but I'm getting back to it now. Just gonna pause this a second and see how it's coming along. Excuse me while I put the camera down. And here you see the bed is being raised up. So what it does, the bed comes down, rests against the UV screen at the bottom, and the UV lights pinpoint what needs to be cured and what needs to stay liquid. So it's coming out pretty nice so far. I will keep you informed of how it goes once the print is finished. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. So, first update on my first print in 8 months, and it's 47% now. It does have a run time of 4 hours and 15 minutes left to go. But as you can see, I think the details are coming out pretty well. You'll see it better when it's washed and cured and everything when it's done. But before I put the lid back on, I'm going to press play and show you the mechanism for a brief period. So you can see all the resin in the vat there, and the bed gets lowered down, and underneath all that resin is a UV screen that pumps out UV light in specific areas, and then it raises up a little bit and does the same thing again, basically like that. So I'll put the lid back on here. Oops. So I'll probably update you how it goes once the print is finished now, and then we'll move on to the washing of the project and the wash and cure station, and see if the details have come out like I wanted. I get a funny feeling I might need a new resin vat for this printer because it's been in storage for 8 months, so I might have to invest in one of those just so I've got a clearer screen. But I'll let you know how that goes as well. So the print has stopped, as you can see, and if I take the lid off, give me a second. As you can see, the print's finished. At first glance, it doesn't seem like some of the detail on the face has come out properly, so I'll take a look at that in a second. Mortal Kombat symbols come out pretty good again, and you can just about see it really, to be honest, but I'll take a closer look when it's washed and cured. So here are the pieces that have come out so far. The camera doesn't really do it justice, to be honest, of what details have actually come out. So I'm going to carefully cut the supports off of these, and then I'm going to put them in that little bath by there so they can wash out, and then onto the curing process. So they've just come out of the wash, and already the detailing has come out a lot sharper. I haven't even started curing them yet, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch over the settings now, and cure him up and see what he comes out like.